Guys, I'm not sure what's exactly going on in New York City right now. All I know is I caught audio on a scanner where there are police officers yelling that a suspicious male with a device in his hand, and they kept saying this over and over. And then the guy comes back on there and says, no more broadcasting on this frequency or something to that effect. And then they suddenly quit talking about it on that frequency. There's some sort of terrorist attack, I believe, going on in New York City, and they're trying to cover it up. Now, this is just happening. Obviously, that could change, but you can hear the officer I'm fixing to play right now, clear as day, saying that this guy has some sort of device in his hand. And before the officer actually says this on CNN, they were reporting that the mayor came out and said there's no active threats in New York City right now. And then after that is when the officer said there's some guy out there with the device, or actually before that, device in his hands, and they're all going to this one location, and then they purposefully stopped broadcasting on their frequency so you couldn't hear what was going on. But there's something very odd going on with this. Not even sure if people got shot or hit, but there's something definitely going on with this. The mayor comes out that fast and says everything is fine. There's no active threat in New York City. I don't know, guys.
I need ESU to City Vineyards. I have a suspicious male with a device in his hand. I need ESU to City Vineyards. Suspicious male with a device in his hand. 4. Further message. That's company broken. 1XO. I need ESU to City Vineyards. I have a suspicious male with a device in his hand. I need ESU to City Vineyards. Advise the exact location of City Vineyards. 3 West Street. West Street and Northmore. West Street and Northmore. 10-4, no responder.
Hey, West Street and Northmore. West Street and Northmore. West Street and Northmore.
Your day 12 Hercules. ESU Hercules Central.
Stop out the last unit.
ESU Hercules.
ESU Hercules, you ready then?
10-4 Central, show us that over to Gear 26.
10-4.
1XO Central, so of course notify the bomb squad. This suspicious male device in his hand. What's the location on that? City Vineyard, Gear 20. West side on West Street at Northmore.
City Vineyards, City Vineyards.
And South Expo to Public Streets XO on the edges. Yeah, get anybody who doesn't have the proper protection, just have him evacuate that area for the issue. 10-4, doing it now, sir. Inspector.
That is South Inspector.
Over those multiple divisions, because people who have protective equipment need to move out of Northmore Street.
10-4. 10-4. All MOS without protective equipment, move away from Northmore and West, move away from Northmore and West. All MOS without protective clothing, move from West and Northmore, move from West and Northmore. All MOS without protective clothing.
All right, so you heard it for yourself, guys. Somebody with a suspicious device, they were telling officers with protective clothing to come to this certain location, and then they quit talking about it. Now, I'm sitting here watching the news on multiple screens right here, and it's went from the guy got out shooting, that he hit people, and it keeps changing around. I even saw one story saying it was just simply road rage. So they may be getting ready to try to cover all this up. So make sure you share this video, guys, and get the word out, because there's something suspicious going on. It appears to be a terrorist attack. If you just listen to that audio, it sounds just like a terrorist attack. And they appear to be covering it up. Like I said, it could change. This stuff is still ongoing out there right now. Everything is kind of confused right now. But you heard the audio from the NYPD yourself of what they were saying. So if this was road rage, then why are they surrounding some person with a device in their hands? And then they stopped talking about it altogether. Anyway, what do you think is going on in New York, guys? Leave your comments below this video. And if you like what we do, guys, simply support us by simply liking our videos and subbing our channel. Liking our videos and subbing our channel. That's all we ask you to do here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave your comments below this video.
Oh my God, twice the guy at full West Street corner, Houston. Elkaar hebben getreden 4 bicyclists. It sounds like a terrorist attack. I'm not sure what it is. Einer respondt nicht. 3 leben noch. I think this is his phone.